Hi, this is Mrs. Hart. Now that you have access to the commonlit.org classroom, I'm just going to walk you through a couple of steps because you're ready to begin your project. So, you've completed assignment number 1 on the Google Classroom. You're now ready to complete assignment number 2, which is where you're going to actually read the article, annotate the main idea of each paragraph, and then answer the assessment questions. So you're reading Malala Yousafzai, A Normal Yet Powerful Girl. Make sure you annotate at least one main idea in each paragraph. There's 10 paragraphs. And then answer the assessment questions. You'll be prompted to answer those as you go through the article. When you are finished, you need to go back to Google Classroom, and under assignment number 2, you will see there's a link to the summative assessment, which is a Google form. I'll just show you that really quickly. There are 10 assessment questions, and the one that I want to point out is the reflection question at the end. It says, why do you think that Malala Yousafzai has captured international attention? Are you inspired by her story? Use at least 2 examples from the text, and you have to write a minimum of 200 words. So you're probably going to want to leave your tab open to commonlit.org so you can flip back to that as you're writing your last question, the reflection question, which is 5 points. Under assignment number 2, the other thing you're going to see is the commonlit.org rubric. This is the rubric for the whole project, so I want to go over that. As soon as I find it here. There it is. And you'll see this is a 30-point project. The first category is that you used an annotation tool. It says use a combination of annotation, highlighting to identify the main idea of each paragraph. And there are 10 paragraphs, so you will get a score from 0 to 10 on that. The assessment questions, there's 5 assessment questions on commonlit.org, and it gives me a printout of how you answer those questions. So answer the assessment questions on commonlit.org with a complete sentence. You get a 0 to 5 on that question. The summative assessment score, after reading the article, complete the Google Forms summative assessment, and this will be your multiple choice score from 0 to 10. And then the reflection question, answer the reflection question at the end of the Google Forms summative assessment. Use at least 2 examples from the text, incorporate your own thoughts and opinions, and you will receive a 0 to 5 on that, for a total score of 30 points for this project. I hope this video helps you complete this project. Thank you for watching, and happy reading.